PI Varna has received an information around 11:30 that there was a case of student death which was reported from Pilani. Now the case is of a PhD scholar who was staying outside the campus in a PG. The preliminary finding is that it is a case of suicide, and police investigation is currently undergoing, and we will be able to give detailed information after the police investigation and post-mortem reports are received. Now this is the second incident which was reported this year. Last year we had unfortunately 4 similar incidents of student suicide. Now district level committee, the police team, the state level committee and national level committees have visited the Pilani campus because of the frequent cases of student death which was reported there. Now in all the committees during the investigation, the main finding is that there is a case of suicide contagion or cluster effect which is happening. Now by suicide contagion, what is meant is that basically when there are repeated incidents of student suicide, the at-risk people or vulnerable people tend to imitate and they commit suicide when there is an emotional stressful situation. Now this is what has been the major finding in all the investigation, and we have conducted a detailed investigation into the frequent student suicides in the Pilani campus, and we have submitted a report to the government also.